Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Flame King propane torch. Stay tuned. Alright, so out of the box, this is what it comes with. It's a 6-foot long cable. It does come with the attachment that goes to your propane tank right here. It does have a hand tightening mechanism right here for you to use. Your trigger is right here. And then you're going to go ahead and use this to open and close to see how much you want of the propane coming out. And you have your ignition switch right here. And of course, the business end of this thing. So let's go ahead and attach this to my propane tank and show you what you can do with it. First things first, you got to make sure your propane tank is closed. We're going to go ahead and stick this in here. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with the latest and greatest. And if you are interested in something like this, I will have a link on the description below so you guys can get your very own. Using that link will help my channel out. Now, what you want to use these primarily for is either for weed control, for snow melting, or for barbecue charcoal lighting. Where I live, we don't have any snow, so the two main things I'm going to use this for is to control my weeds and also to light my barbecue pit. So the first things first, you want to open it up one full turn. You don't have to open it up all the way, just one full turn. It's enough. Next thing is that you want to open up the regulator right here. 1/8 of a turn is fine. And then the ignition switch is right here. Now listen to this. Alright, let's go ahead and go ahead and attack these weeds down here. These babies don't stand a chance. Here we go. Go ahead and turn this off. All you do is you close the propane tank first, and if you're gonna notice in a little bit it's going to die off because there's no more propane going on there. This baby throws out 340,000 BTUs. Pressing the trigger will allow it to go out a lot faster. I turned it off because I'm gonna go ahead and move it over to another section, but as you can see right here, my weeds are gone. Close it, press on the trigger, release all the gas. And what used to be there is not there anymore. All right, let's go to the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be showing you another demonstration on how I turn on my charcoal with this. But for right now, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe once again, and catch you guys on the flip side.